Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'll introduce you to another Tesla, the Tesla Cybertruck from 2023 from the Hot Wheels series from 2024, from the Hot Wheels rolling metal category. A very cool vehicle. I really love the Cybertruck. It's such a cool car, very futuristic. Just a great model, super made by Tesla, super made by Elon Musk. I think you really need guts to produce a car like this and to put in production in today's car market. It's like the DeLorean from the 80s that you really rarely see. Such a design that has never been done before. As a pickup truck too. It's such a cool vehicle, if you ask me. What is also really cool are these datas of this vehicle. It has between 607 and almost 900 horsepower, which is just incredible for a pickup truck and also incredible for a normal road car, if you look at it that way. This vehicle can accelerate from 0 to 100 km in an incredible 2.6 seconds, which is so incredibly fast for a pickup truck. That's faster than a sports car. You can just see what electric cars are capable of, and that's really mega cool. I just love this car, the style, and how it looks. Just so cool, and now we have the opportunity to purchase it from Hot Wheels. Very cool model, if you ask me. As always, you can buy it from my online shop under www.big-mike.us. I would be very happy if you stop by if you are up for this car. Just drop by and then I wish you a lot of fun. Until the next video.